A trail mix is made using peanuts, raisins, and almonds in the ratio of 3 to 2 to 1 respectively. Peanuts cost $1.75 a pound, raisins cost $2.10 a pound, and almonds cost $5.25 a pound. We want to find how much should 1 pound of this trail mix cost. Now, we have this ratio, and to use that ratio, we think, well, how do we normally use ratio? Well, sometimes it's used by using like numbers, like compare each other, right? Like for here, you can clearly see that peanuts, there are 3 times as many peanuts as almonds, right? There are 3 parts peanuts and 1 part almonds. But how does that help with this money-wise trail mix cost? Well, I guess it doesn't, so I guess we can't use this ratio for comparing numbers of these fruits, of these nuts. So, well, the second way I usually use them is for parts, right? Like you can find parts because you can see that there's 3 parts, 2 parts, and 1 parts. That's 6 parts. And because ratios, they always stay the same, well, no matter how much you have, like here we have 1 pound, well, no matter, like if you have 1,000,000 pounds, the ratio is still the same. Wait, if this is 6 parts total, and we want to split this up into 1 pound, well, that means each of these parts, they're 1/6, right? Because basically there's 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6 of these parts, and then 1 pound, we just divide by 6. Which means now we can use that to help solve this problem. Because you know that peanuts, if you bought 1 pound, it would cost this much, but in this trail mix, there's only 3 parts out of 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6 parts. Meaning half of this trail mix are peanuts. So you have to divide by 2. And basically, this is how much money you have to pay if you just bought the peanuts in this trail mix. Well, okay, moving on. And we add on the money it takes to buy those raisins. Now, raisins cost $2.10 a pound, or $2.1 a pound. And we divide by, well, that's 2 parts out of 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6 parts. That's 1/3. This is 2.1 divided by 1/3. Now last part, well then, that is 1/6 of, well, 1 pound of almonds is $5.25. And then there's 1 out of 6 parts, so you just divide by 6 to find how much money worth of almonds there are in this trail mix. Now, for these, you could just use long division, but this first one, well, I like to do something fun like this. Well, 1 divided by 2 is 50 cents. Now, 70 cents over 2 is 35 cents. That makes, 50 cents plus 35 cents, that's 85 cents. And, then you have 0.05 cents. And you divide that by 2, then you get 0.025 cents. Now add that together, well, that's 85 cents plus 0.025 cents. That's 0.875 cents. Now if you got all that, well, then there really isn't anything I can trick you with. And if you didn't get that, well, that's okay, because I didn't exactly expect you to get all of this on your first try, but it's okay. You can use long division as well. Now the second one, well, 2.1 over 3, well, 21 over 3 is 7, and there's that 1 digit after the decimal point, meaning that's 0.7. Here, that last one, well, there aren't any mental math tricks I can use on that one, or at least none that I know of. So I'll just use good old long division. And probably don't want to see this all day, so just gonna do that by myself. It's 48, 4, 5, 7, 42, 3, 0, 0, 5. And then we have, let's see, add, again, 0.875. You have to add these all up. Well, 5 plus 5 is 10. 7 plus 7 is 14. Add that 1 to get 15. Now 1 plus 7 is 8. And on the 2 8s, that's 3 times 8. 24. Put the decimal point there. And 2 and a whole bunch of zeros is still 2. Now, get rid of that 0 because we're dealing with money. And even if we weren't dealing with money, well, that 0 doesn't exactly do anything. So here we have $2.45. Now, is this what we want? Well, this 2.45, that consists of these 3, which are these 3, which are then these 3 parts of the ratio. And those are our peanuts, raisins, and almonds in the correct ratio mixed together, which is why we call this trail mix. So that means because 2.45 is consisted of the 3 things that we want, we get our answer as 2.45 a pound.